In order to run macOS 10.15, iOS 13 beta and iPadOS, you need to have a developer account. Go to developer.apple.com, click on account and log in. To have a developer account, you need to pay $99 and your developer account will be activated. This is valid for 1 year. Once you have logged in, click on the downloads link on the left hand side and you will be navigated to this page. If you want to install the macOS beta, open this on a Mac and click on the install profile. If you want to install iOS 13 beta or iPadOS 13 beta, open them in iPhone or the iPad, and usually there will be an install profile button here. Click on that and follow the instructions by going to the settings menu. Also, it is good to back up your phones or Macs before upgrading to the beta. Also, download the restore images to go back to a previous version in case the update is highly unstable and is completely unusable. To update to iOS 13 beta, you need to install the latest Xcode as well, which you can go here to applications and download this and install. If you have any questions, please comment and subscribe to my videos. Thank you.